Hey there, welcome to our video. Our project is on YouTube's trending video analysis. So let's start, but before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and drop a like on video. So let's get right into it. Here are the key aims of the project. To study why some YouTube videos become trending. To find out what makes a video popular, like its title, views, likes, and category. To understand what type of content people like to watch more. To check the comments and see if people are happy, sad, or angry about the trending videos. To create graphs and charts that show the data clearly. To give helpful ideas to YouTubers about how they can make their videos trend. Let's move on to the objectives. To collect and analyze the data of YouTube trending videos. To find out which factors help videos to become trending, like views, likes, comments, and video category. To study the common patterns in video titles, descriptions, and tags. To check which types of videos trend the most, like music, vlogs, or gaming. Why this project matters. It helps understand viral content. This project helps us know why some videos become popular while others do not. Guides content creators. The analysis gives YouTubers ideas on how to make better videos and increase their chances of trending. Tracks audience interest. It shows what type of content people love to watch the most. Now let's see who benefits from our project and why. First, there are YouTubers. To make better, trending content. Second, viewers, to get more interesting videos. Third, marketers, to plan smart advertisements. Fourth, students and researchers, to study the social media trends. This is the graph which shows the number of videos uploaded and are trending in different categories. With the help of those graphs, you will have an idea of the trending category. So, let's see the limitations. The project uses only trending video data, not all YouTube videos. Trending videos change every day, so the results may not stay the same. We don't know exactly how YouTube's algorithm works. The comment analysis may not understand jokes or sarcasm properly. If data is from one country, it may not show the global trend.
Proposed system. Collects data. Uses YouTube API or datasets to collect data of trending videos. Analyzes data. Checks details like views, likes, comments, video category, and publish time. Finds patterns. Looks for common things in trending videos like similar titles, tags, or categories. Visualizes data. Shows the results using charts, graphs, and word clouds for easy understanding. Gives recommendations. Suggests ideas to content creators on how to improve their videos to trend.
Here's the architecture diagram. Modules. 1. Data collection. Collect trending video data. 2. Data cleaning. Remove errors from data. 3. Data analysis. Study the data to find trends. 4. Sentiment analysis. Check if comments are positive or negative. 5. Visualization. Show results using graphs and charts. 6. Recommendation. Give tips to improve video content. Here are the tools used. 1. Python for data analysis and coding. 2. YouTube API to collect trending video data. 3. Pandas and NumPy for data handling and calculations. 4. Matplotlib and Seaborn for creating graphs and charts. 5. NLTK or TextBlob for sentiment analysis of comments. 6. Jupyter Notebook/Google Colab for coding and testing the project. Algorithms used. 1. K-means clustering. Groups videos into clusters based on similarity, e.g., similar views, tags, or upload times. Helps you understand what types of videos often trend together. 2. A priori algorithm. Finds common combinations like videos with these tags and upload times tend to trend. Our project suggests you the most common categories in trending videos, the best time to upload the videos. Common tags in the trending videos and sentiment analysis of comments.
Future scope. In the future, this project can be expanded in many ways. One improvement is real-time tracking of trending videos, so we can see the changes as they happen. The same type of analysis can also be done for other platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook videos. The project can be made more advanced by comparing trending videos from different countries, helping us understand how trends change globally. Another improvement is using better sentiment analysis tools that can understand jokes, sarcasm, and emojis more accurately. In the future, the system can also be trained to predict which videos might become trending next. This will help content creators and marketers prepare better strategies in advance.
In the future, this project can be improved to track trending videos in real time. And the system can be trained to predict which videos will become trending. Thank you so much for your time. If there are any questions you have related to our project, you can ask in the comment section. And if you want the tutorials of the animations used in this presentation, then head towards the description and click on the link given.